What is up, guys? For those of you who don't know me, I'm Diesel Doug. That's what everyone calls me on Instagram, at least. It's my 79 crew cab Ford. Got a 6.0 Powerstroke swap in it. Everyone's been asking for videos of this thing. I already have most of it assembled. I just got it running last night. So I'm gonna have the startup video attached at the end. And then I guess just ask questions below, and I gotta tear this whole thing back apart for restoration, so I'll try to take more videos as I take it apart. There's a lot of people asking how I even got this thing to sit on there and how I got it to work. So I'll be taking videos of it coming back apart to answer all the questions like the firewall and the floor swap and the dash swap, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll do a quick walk around of the truck real quick, and then I'll attach the startup video on the end. Okay, so what I have here is a 1979 crew cab long bed F250. This is actually a camper special bed, so the wheel well sits farther back than a normal 8-foot bed, and that compartment opens up, usually a spare tire in there. I went with the camper special bed to match the wheelbase. This is a 2006 F350 frame, and the wheelbase of a normal crew cab long bed 79 is like 10 inches shorter. So this bed actually made it line up perfect. I didn't have to stretch the frame, I didn't have to shorten the frame, none of that. I got the 2003 F250 dash in here. I bought a full donor truck. I still got some of the wiring laying around. I gotta take out all the wires for the doors. And then these are black leather seats out of a 2016 Ford Mustang GT. I originally planned on doing the Super Duty seats, but when I had the driver's seat in there, it was way too close to that steering wheel. There was like no room to get your legs in between there, just because you can see the 2003 dash sticks out quite a bit farther than the original 79 dash I had in here. There's the engine bay. I don't have the heater box in yet, but pretty much everything else is hooked up and running. The batteries I'm going to relocate down onto the frames, so just to clean up the engine bay. I'm going to get a billet one of these, billet coolant tank, billet steering reservoir. I'm going to make custom fender liners to hide all the wiring and stuff. I had to chop the 79 fender liners because they just don't work with this setup. So got the 79 core support cut sitting on top of the 2003 core support. I chopped off the 2003 core support where the headlight buckets were, and it actually sits on there like perfect. A little view of the driver's seat. They're just sitting in there now. I can make brackets for them. Another view of the dash. And I'll attach a startup video after this. Go. Running 79 6.0 Powerstroke. Yeah, that's just a quick overview of the 79 crew cab. I got some big plans for this truck. The whole thing's getting stripped down, full frame off restoration. I'm gonna sand the frame, fill all the unused holes in, weld all those holes shut, do full air ride, front and rear 4-link, and that compartment there on the bed, that's where I'm gonna put my air ride stuff. So when you open that up, it's gonna have my chrome tanks and my chrome compressors. I'll probably be about a 12-inch lift, planning on going with like 40s and probably 24 by 14s. Yeah, I mean, it's just gonna be full custom, gonna be antimatter blue, and I plan on doing a burnt orange powder coat on all the suspension and all the accessories on the motor. All black interior, and then I don't know, it'll be a project. I'm assuming probably about this time next year I'll have it done, so you probably won't see it 2022 show season unless I decide to take it like this, just put it all together and drive it like this year, and then do the restoration over next winter. I don't know, I'm kind of up in the air about that still. It would be cool to drive it this year, but I also don't want to waste time and not get it done. So that's the build so far. I don't post too much on YouTube. I'll probably start doing it more now that everyone's bugging for videos of this thing. But if you want to follow the build, mostly post on Instagram. It's diesel_Doug_21 on Instagram. So if you got any questions, let me know. Comment below. Thanks for watching.